Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Indie Trendy. Today I got a MacBook Air 2017 model, and today I'm gonna diagnose one of the most recurring problem when you get a globe symbol on your MacBook or a restrictor signal on your MacBook when it doesn't work. All you can do here is you can start installing it from the scratch. You need to click on Command button and R button, and the video follows how to work it. Checking the instructions on Apple support website. Here's the globe symbol and waiting for it to move on. Waiting for Apple sign to show up. Once the Apple logo comes up, then we can move to the disk utility window. I can just show you, just wait for a couple of seconds or maybe minutes depending on the PC. I think it's almost complete now. Here's come the Apple logo, and let's wait for this to boot up soon. It's almost done. And it's completely booted over. Selecting the language here. It's obviously English language. Next, checking the instructions as per Apple recommendation here. And we almost enter the booting mode here. You got a Macintosh showing up, which you have to select. This will show the instructions how to work on it. This work is pretty fine. Just showing up on the screen. And let's get it booted up. Firing up the PC, and here we go. Just click on continue agree button as for the next instruction. Yeah, agree terms and conditions. Yes. Yeah, here's the hard disk which you have to select is the Macintosh showing up. And we enter the setup mode. I got it reinstalled. Make sure that it's working fine. Country origin of Australia. Choose a keyboard layout. US because that's what I use. This is my home network. Dodo 5G. Just a sec.